Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you just want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be an HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software link in here. Go ahead and select download. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured to your device settings, if you're going to have a wired or wireless-based connection perhaps, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.